Meaning of hilly.
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 Hilly. Hilly refers to an area of land that has many hills or small mountains. It is a topographical term used to describe the physical features of a landscape that is characterized by the presence of elevation changes. Hilly regions are typically associated with a mix of gentle slopes, steep inclines, and undulating terrain that provide a unique visual appeal and scenic beauty. The geological processes that shape hills and mountains can range from natural forces like erosion and tectonic activity to human intervention like mining and construction. Overall, hilly landscapes offer a diverse range of ecological niches and are often hotspots for biodiversity.